Okay, so now let's take the next step. Um, my plan is to make the bot a little bit more conversational now in the way that if a user comes into a pizza store, they might just ask the waiter or the sales person, "What do you have this type of pizza?" or "What kind of pizza do you have?" So the "what kind of pizza do you have" we're going to do as a next step as part of the FAQ. But the "do you offer so and so pizza? Do you offer artichoke pizza?" And then I want the bot to be able to answer, "Yes, we do. Would you like to order it? And how many?" And if not, then, well, no, sorry, we don't have it. What else can I do for you? So in order to do that, we need to, well, the bot out of the box is not intelligent enough to understand when we want to order a pizza type that does not exist in our pizza type entity. So the way that I solved this is I created another custom entity, which is all the pizza types that I'm aware of there are that we don't offer at the moment. Of course, it's a little bit extra work, but I think it pays off in terms of the bot being more conversational. So I think I just Googled pizza types and then I found a long list of, I don't know, 100 pizza names, and this is them. So a lot of Italian pizza. Um, that's where it comes from. So they have lots of different types. So these are all the pizzas that we don't want to offer. So now I'm going to create a couple more intents, which are about kicking off the interaction by the type. So I'm going to call it item type dot start dot negative. That's the first one. We don't need an input context because that's where the conversation is going to start. Um, and the training phrases are going to be things like, "Do you offer pizza Americana?" And then I'm just going to add the parameter. So if there's no pizza type mentioned here that we're not selling, then I don't want this intent to match at all. So that's why we have to set it to required. So I'm just gonna say parameter type here as well, but then for the entity I will say not system, I will say anti-pizza type, which is all the pizzas that we don't have. And then, yeah, as a response, I'm going to say, "Sadly, we don't offer type." I'm never sure about the $sign here. I think I need to enter it here. Sadly, we don't offer type. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And then another variation. "I'm sorry, we don't have type on the menu." And then let's add some more training phrases. So, "Do you offer pizza Americana, salami?" That's not on the menu. And then what else? Do you have quattro stagioni or nah? I'm not. I think we can write it both ways. So we don't have that either. Let's hit save, and then so that's basically the conversation goes into this, and then we say, "Okay, we don't have this. I'm sorry." And then the user can do again whatever they want. They can, well, they don't have many options. They can order something else. So let's just try this out. Do you offer, well, quattro? Actually, that's easy because I provided it as a training phrase. So I'm just going to look up something else here. Do you offer pizza Bismarck? Sounds like some German specialty pizza. I'm sorry we don't have Bismarck on the menu. So that works. Good, good, good. So now let's do the positive one, where we actually do have the pizza that the user's asking for. As an output, I will set item, because here we're going to fill our first slot, which is the pizza type, and then we need to carry it forward to the next intent. And the answer will be yes, we do offer type. Oops, that's a bit difficult. Can't get rid of this. We do offer type. Would you like to order one? And same problem again. And the other, no. I just want a period at the end of my sentence here. Okay, and the other one is, yes, we do. A bit more enthusiastic with the exclamation mark. How many would you like? And that's it here. We of course need to create the type parameter, pizza type, and then a type here, so that's all good. Training phrase will be, do you offer pizza margarita, which of course we do. Do you have Hawaii? Yep, we do. Yeah, that's all I can think of now as training phrases. So let's try it. Well, since we asked, okay, how many would you like to order, and do you want to order? We need to now create a follow-up intent for this, which is gonna catch all those potential answers that the user can give. So here we go. So first of all, the first question was, do you want to order? And if they ask yes, then we have all those yes training phrases, and then we'll go into our usual slot filling. Except that we already have the type from the last one, from the last intent. So in this case, we are going to set the default value again, and that's going to get us the type. And then the slots that we need to fill here will be the amount and the size. And the amount is going to be system.number, and the size will be pizza size. Okay, and then we need some prompts here. How many would you like? And then, yeah, let's just do one for now. And what size would you like the pizza type in? Okay, I'm gonna hit save for now. I will need to provide more training phrases in a second, but let's just add a response. Great. So that's amount, type, in size? Can you confirm? Okay. Let's just go and try this this branch where the user just says yes and see if that works. It's just waiting until the agent training is completed. Okay, so again, do you offer pizza Bismarck? Let's just check that nothing went wrong now that we created the positive one. Yep, sounds about right. And then do you offer vegetarian? Yes, we do offer vegetarian. Would you like to order one? Yes. And then it's asking us how many we would like. And actually, without providing any further training phrases, it already grabbed the number here, so that's pretty great. And what size would you like it in normal? Let's see if that works as well. Okay, so this works. Can you confirm? And now I typed yes, and what's happening now? I need to set my output context to the item confirmation, to item confirms, so that it then goes to my confirmation intent, which is where later we'll add the item to the basket as well. So item confirm, I think that is all good. And this is the input context that was created automatically because I created a follow-up intent. So that's the format that Dialogflow creates automatically whenever you create a follow-up intent. So what else do we need? I'm just gonna start again. Do you offer vegetarian? Would you like to order one? Okay, so this is the question that can be answered with yes, but the other option was how many would you like, which I would get at some point randomly, and then I can say give me 3 please. And this will be the amount 3 please. Okay. There's loads more variations that I can add to the training phrases, but I'm not gonna bore you with this for now. So, oops. It is amount. Let's just hit save again and see if this works. Yes, we do offer vegetarian. Would you like to order one? No, let's start again. Do you offer pepperoni? I'm going to ask this time. This didn't work. Pepperoni. We do have pepperoni on the menu, so that's slightly odd that it's not matching. I may need to provide this as a training phrase. Do you offer pepperoni? Yeah, so it's not getting this. So I'll need to add it here. Do you... Oh yeah, because I didn't use the word pizza here. That's probably why it didn't match close enough with any of the training phrases. So I'm gonna add this here as well without the pizza keyword, and then okay, where are we? We are here. And well, we're gonna try it again in a second. I'm just going to create the no branch as well. If the person asks, do you offer vegetarian? Would you like to order one? And then the user says no. We need to also deal with that case. There will be no output context because the conversation is going to be set back to the normal default state. So we don't need and we don't need any parameter either. So we're just going to say no worries. What else would you like to order? Let's say order. Okay. Reset the context. So, do you offer vegetarian? Yes, we do offer vegetarian. Do you want to order one? No. Oh, yes, no. Okay, no worries. What else would you like to order? And then, just like a person who comes into a pizza store, I'm gonna ask, well, do you offer pepperoni? And then it says, yes, we do offer pepperoni. Would you like to order one? And I say yes. But actually, let's pretend that it's asking me how many would you like to order, and then I will say 3, please. And then we can see that it already filled the 2 slots here, and it's only the size that's missing, and then it's asking me for the size. I'm just, in case you lost, I'm just going to point you to where this is coming from. It is coming from the prompt here. So it's trying to fill all the slots and the size is missing, so it's going into this. So I'm just gonna say normal size. Let's see if that picks it up. It did. Cool. So that's 3 pepperoni and okay, so everything that we just did in this video seems to work as far as I can say. Let's just try one more interesting thing. What if I want to amend this item configuration now and say, wait, can I get 4 instead? Sure. So that works. I'm pretty happy it did. And why does it work? Because, well, we didn't set item as an output context here, but it's still alive because it's got a lifespan of 5 and it's set here. So when I asked, do you have pepperoni? And it said yes, that was this intent. And then it had the output context item, which then carried forward the parameters here. And because it has the parameter saved on the item context, it can then dynamically go into, where is it? I changed the amount, so it's this one. So it went into this one because I said, wait, can I get 4 instead? Which is, yeah. So it's matching the training phrases more or less by machine learning, and then it's amending my order. So that's pretty good. Cool. That's it for this video.